That's one of the things when people say you can't replicate it at home. Well, firstly, they're probably using malt vinegar instead of chip shop vinegar. And the chip shop vinegar, it's not actually vinegar. And then there's the oils. It's not just the chips or the fish that are cooked in the oils. There's all sorts of other things cooked in the oils in most places. Pineapple fritters, banana fritters, all kinds of different things. I'm loving what we do for the fish and chip shops, and SwiftOrder are supporting me on this mission to celebrate real, independent chippies. They're a family-run company helping takeaways offer online ordering without paying commissions. If you'd like to take orders online, or you're fed up with paying high fees, SwiftOrder is an easy, reliable platform with one clear, low monthly cost. It's simple to use and backed by a UK support team that's always ready to help. Right, okay, we're at the Sea Pearl in Bristol, or just on the outskirts of Bristol. And we're just on our way to our digs for the night because we've got a busy day tomorrow. What a beautiful place the Sea Pearl is. And according to a few people that are from around here, they're suggesting that this is probably one of the best around here. Now, I don't know whether around here means around here or it means actually in Bristol. Straight away, the packaging, fabulous. All cardboard here. This is their in-house mushy peas, and this is their in-house tartar sauce, and spotlessly clean in there. Lovely little place. So let's have a crack at this pie first. Now it's running a little bit dark here, so you know I can lighten it up a little bit, but I've got two lights on stands here, so I just want to open that up here. My big knife, we only just found it in the bag before, so I'm not going to use it for cutting any food until we give it a thorough cleaning. So I'm going with this Stokes tomato sauce, and it's lovely. Now people say, a tomato sauce with a pie. That's the way I was brought up in Australia. I was born in Salford in Manchester, but we always had tomato sauce on our pies. That is red hot. Oh, it's gorgeous. We got their chips. No, they look all right. Have to get a bit more salt on them. This is a small portion I asked for, so that's about right, isn't it? Well, it's a bit more than a small portion. Yeah, I like them a lot. I like mine paler, like this, than darker. Sue likes hers darker and crispier. I like mine paler. Crispy on the outside, but plenty of softness going on. I don't like them, that dry look. Well, I mean, I'll eat them. I'll eat anything, won't I? But you're going to tip them onto this plate. Oh, all them little crispy bits. Did you hear them then? Now, we just asked for their regular fish. Quite often, I ask for a large. Oh, look at that. How good does that look? Oh, look at the crispiness on that. See if we can get a good shot of that. Yeah. So let's have another look at that. We've turned the lights around a little bit. I mean, it's only, what time is it? It's only about 5 o'clock, isn't it? We've got two lights going now, LED lights, battery powered. Oh, I'm going to save that crisp in the, when it comes to editing the sound. Oh, that smells nice. Let me just pass this up. Oh, Sue doesn't want any fish. Not even the crispy batter off it. Sue's gone for a little bit of the crispy batter. But it does look good, doesn't it? You know what? That's delicious. That really is delicious. Let me just break this batter off here so you can get a look inside. The batter is nice and light. You can almost taste the other things that have been cooked in the batter. You see, that's one of the things when people say you can't replicate it at home. Well, firstly, they're probably using malt vinegar instead of chip shop vinegar. And the chip shop vinegar is a non-brewed condiment. It's not actually vinegar. It's still okay for you, but it has a different flavour. And then there's the oils. It's not just the chips or the fish that are cooked in the oils. There's all sorts of other things cooked in the oils in most places. Pineapple fritters, banana fritters, all kinds of different things are all cooked, usually, depending on the type of fish and chip shop it is. And if it's a vegan chippy, then, you know, they take extra care with what they put in certain oils. Well, obviously not fats, but in the oil. So you do get some of those flavours in there too. So you can't replicate that at home so easily. So you're not going to get those flavours from a chippy. Plus someone else has cooked it for you. And everything, when someone else cooks something for you, it always tastes different, doesn't it? Let's have a go at their tartar sauce. Get a bit of fish in there. Nice chunky bit of batter with it. Listen to it. Actually, just get a bit of batter in there. Well, that's good. Just to try to take a little bit of this fish out of here. Well, that's nice. Just enough tartiness, enough caper, enough pickle. You're not getting all that mayonnaise taste. It's nice, gently acidic. I wouldn't know how else to explain that, but I do like that a lot. Let's have a look at their mushy peas. Give it a good stirring up. It's only a small pot. Again, delicious, subtle, not over seasoned. I said these two are made in house. Yeah, absolutely delicious. Probably go slightly watery, slightly, but nothing really to complain about. It really is nice. So let's leave it at that for now. I'm going to have a pick at this in a minute because, like I say, we're down in Bristol and we've got a few things to do. The owner. Oh, this guy. How you doing, mate? All right?
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too. What's your name? Get over this way a bit. You going there?
Only sometimes, now and again. It's alright though.
Yeah? Working away from home or you live here?
I live here, literally just down.
Oh, right. Okay. It's not so bad then.
No, it's not so bad, but it's alright.
Just staying away from home's overrated, isn't it? You know, I really enjoyed it. I love this stuff made in-house and the pies made in-house. You know, so they're making a lot of stuff indoors and it's right. I love that. You know, I really enjoyed that meal. Sure, I was hungry, but no, everything about it was really nice. It really was. Let's look at these reviews. 1 star. Avoid at all costs. Cheesy chips with no cheese on. Dry as HELL. Large pot of curry sauce. You get half and it's cold. Vegan sausage and it's pork. And my milkshake is tipped in the bag. Put me off ever having takeaways again. 5 star. Sea Pearl is our local chippy. Lovely food for both meat eaters and vegetarians. The service is always good, and even if something is slightly delayed or any error, which is extremely rare, they go above and beyond to solve them and reward loyal customers. What are you waiting for? Just order. Mine, 5 star. After spending half the day driving down to Bristol, I built up quite an appetite. I pulled into the car park in front of Sea Pearl and stepped inside to find a spotless, tidy shop and a warm welcome from the staff. The menu was extensive, with a clear emphasis on classic chip shop fare, which was great to see. I ordered the cod and chips. The cod, although classed as regular, was a generous size, coated in a light, crispy and flavourful batter. The fish itself was fresh, white and flaky, separating cleanly from the batter. The chips were fairly slim but delicious. The in-house mushy peas could have been a touch thicker, but they were tasty and well seasoned. without being overpowering. The homemade tartar sauce had all the right flavours and a balanced texture, not too heavy on the mayonnaise. The steak pie was another highlight, with a lovely crusty pastry and a rich, well-balanced meat and gravy filling. Overall, Sea Pearl delivered a thoroughly enjoyable experience. Everything was fresh, well prepared and full of flavour, served with a genuine warmth and care. Cooking in oil, payment cash or card, hygiene rating 5, fish reviewed, cod. See you on the next one.